Let's talk weather and check in with meteorologist Aaron Moran. We touched on it a little bit earlier, a super early wake-up call for so many of us this morning, and that chance exists again later tonight.
Yeah, I think a lot of us are going to get woken up again in the middle of the night. We're expecting storms to start to roll in from the northwest starting after midnight and really impacting us as we head into the early morning hours of Tuesday. And when we look at our Dallas time lapse, so 6 o'clock, we definitely had some storms in the area. They hadn't quite reached the Metroplex just yet, but we get to 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, and that's when we start to see that heavy rain rolling through. But eventually, we started to see the skies clear out. We had a little bout of mostly sunny skies and now partly cloudy skies with warm and muggy conditions still ongoing for North Texas. We've got upper 80s and low 90s. We are rain free for the time being, but it is still very muggy out there. We had all of this moisture earlier this morning, so it makes sense that we've got dew points in the upper 60s and low 70s. So it's hot, it's humid, and we are going to be watching the next few hours, not just for the heat and for the humidity, but also do we get a few storms to develop mainly in our northern counties. This is not the main round of rain that we're anticipating. That actually comes as we head into the overnight hours. So we look at FUTURECAST. We are dealing with more clouds down to the south right now. We've got a nice little break in the clouds for parts of North Texas, for parts of Denton, Collin, Tarrant, and Dallas counties as well. But we get to 10 o'clock. Still dealing with mainly dry conditions. Watch what happens from the northwest as we head toward 2 a.m. So we've got a cold front that's moving in. Storms develop along that front, and they race into North Texas. So here's 5:45 in the morning, and we've got widespread heavy rain, gusty winds impacting parts of the I-35 corridor, stretching farther west as well, and then it kind of hangs around through the morning hours. The heavy rain weakens some, but we still have consistent rain as we head toward 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And then I think as we head toward midday, the rain and storm chances kind of drop to about 30 to 40%. And then we have a lot of the storm chances kind of impacting East Texas and our southeastern counties as well. So you start to see some storms near Corsicana by 4:15 tomorrow afternoon. And then as we head into the evening hours, you get this cluster of storms really kind of impacting East Texas, but maybe some of our more eastern counties seeing some of this as well. Sulphur Springs, Wills Point, even Corsicana, Athens, Palestine, kind of seeing a little bit of light shower activity as we head toward 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. So we've already seen anywhere from about a ½ inch to more than 1.5 inches of rainfall just today alone. We've had several days of rain, really kind of seeing it in the morning hours more than anything else. And it looks like between what we're going to see for tonight and tomorrow, we could pick up another 1/4 inch of rain to maybe 1.5 inches of rain across North Texas. And we've got more rain in the forecast even as we continue through the 7 days. So June is starting to look a lot better as far as those rainfall totals are concerned, right? This time last week, we had no measurable rainfall at DFW Airport to talk about. Now we have more than 2 inches of rainfall, and this does not include what fell earlier today. That update should be out any minute now, so you'll have to stick around for 4:30, and we'll have that for you, and of course at 5, 6, and 10 tonight as well. So we've got the rain and storm chances picking up to 80% as we head overnight and into Tuesday. And with the clouds and the rain and storms around, it's going to keep temperatures a little cooler for tomorrow, only topping out around 81. Then we get to Wednesday. We've got partly cloudy skies, a 10% chance for an isolated shower. It looks like better rain and storm chances are going to be in central Texas if you happen to be traveling on Wednesday. But we're back into the low 90s Thursday and Friday. A little bit more cloud cover for the weekend. Temperatures in the low 90s and a 30% chance for showers and storms. Doug?
All I can think about is a 70-pound dog trying to get in our bed again. There we go. One more night. Thank you, Aaron. Appreciate the